Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. Today's video is slightly different. We are in B&M Loughborough, so this is not my typical B&M that you normally see on my videos. Thought we'd check out B&M that is sort of just 20 to 30 minutes away from me. Show you what kind of different stock we're getting in, see if there's anything different. One thing I have spotted right off the bat here, we've got one of the large Trachycarpus fortunei palms. This is one of your 150 ones. What stands out with this one for me though is definitely the trunk size. We are probably near on probably 5.5, 6 foot of trunk on that one, so quite a large trunked palm compared to the normal sort of 3 to 4 foot ones, which you see there is one down there. We'll go take a look at that one in a second. As such, I mean, normally with these, we are getting that kind of haircut look here. Good deal though if you're looking for a reasonable sized trunk. Fronds look in pretty good condition on that one here. Bit of this kind of high chopping. I'm not sure what's kind of gone on. If you've seen our last video with Tom at Palms and Exotics, we've been seeing this as well. But fairly good deal for that. Coming down this way, I did spot a couple of other plants coming in here that looked reasonable. You can just see this is the smaller Trachycarpus fortunei here, and you can see a noticeable difference in the trunk size. Once again, there's a big variance we're seeing this year, kind of, you know, in the different palms that we're getting. Still a reasonable deal, and once again, this looks to be kind of freshly potted in here with that kind of gravelly mix, kind of what mine came with. My 6 foot trunked one of the largest ones, has done really well. Just started to put on new growth here. Just as we come down, just to show you here, we've got some of the discounted plants as well. We're back to the sort of honeysuckles and passiflora. These ones coming in at just £6.50. A little bit worse for wear. I mean, you can see some of these in here definitely taking a hit with the recent heat that we've had. Unfortunately, I mean, it looks like we're kind of back to kind of go into that soon. You can see they've tried to save some of these bamboo here, putting them in water, which is probably the best thing you can do with these in this kind of heat and with such a small pot here. Coming in at £30. I think these are going to be discounted. Yeah, £15 on that, so that's coming down to half price. Once again, I mean, with the bamboo, I've taken some dead ones like this, and you know, within the year they've kind of bounced back, so not necessarily a bad offer on that side. Again, we've got some of the red sentinel sort of fruit trees, again discounted £12.50 here, normally £15. Coming down here, lots of the passiflora in. Again, I picked one of these up earlier in the year, and mine has really suffered through the heat wave. I don't know if it's going to make it through. But for £6.50, great little climber and fantastic flowers when that comes out. Just coming down, we got some of the acers back in as well. It looks like comparable to Colville store. I mean, again, fairly good stock in here, but it does look quite limited. I mean, Colville's not a giant branch either, but yeah, a bit limited compared here. Got some of the Washingtonia robusta. Again, looking pretty unhappy with the heat. I mean, unfortunately, sort of potted plants in this, unless you're really on top of it, with the kind of heat we've been having here in the UK in the past few weeks, you're gonna struggle. You know, in a place like this, obviously, this is not dedicated sort of horticulturalist or anything like that. We'll give them a little bit of a pass on that one, but still, you can see, yeah, really taking a hit on those washies. Imagine those have been there for some time. £18.50 on those. I mean, I'm hoping those are gonna get discounted. If not, just yeah, £18.50 on those. Down here we've got some of the red roses, some of the different rose varieties, £15. Nice little flower on that. Again, if you're looking for that kind of color pops, again, these all need to be dead-headed in here, you can see. Just coming down though, if we come down this aisle, again, we've got some of the unique acers. This is the dissectum, coming in at £12.50. Interesting leaf formation on this, very kind of string-like. Kind of cool little acer. And again, you know, worth picking up if you're looking for, again, something a little bit different, give you those kind of unique color patterns on the new fronds here, the new leaves, I should say. Just coming down this way, of course, we've got our casualty corner here. Sorry for the focusing issues here. Again, we've got a lot of stuff that's really just not looking great. I mean, even the cannas here, down to $6.25 from $12.50. You can see kind of worse for wear. I mean, with a lot of the cannas, that should bounce back and be a perennial. I've got my Cleopatra that's done really well and come back. Nice to see the Brunner back in. Again, I hadn't seen this in the Colville store, if I'm correct. Silver Spear, £6.50. Again, I love the Brunner, lovely kind of perennial, coming back every year. Great color pops on that, and I love the kind of foliage you get. A few different varieties I've seen in here, but it looks like we've just got the Silver Spear in stock at the moment. Do have some of the Akuba down here, and these ones were coming in at £4 or 3 for 10. Again, nice little evergreen shrub if you're looking for something like that. Just as we come around to the front, again, we'll try and miss out some of the kind of standard stuff here. Just see we've got one of the Phoenix by the door, which we'll take a look at. Show you probably one of the better Phoenix I've seen. Just having a look here though, you can see we've got Shamrock's Volcano coming in at £18.50. Nice little trunk on that one. Actually pretty reasonable palm and looks potted well. But just as we come down that way, down here, another unique one. So this is your Pulmonaria Majesti. Again, coming at £6.50. Unique foliage on that as well. Not one I have seen. You can just see some of the kind of variegation, kind of unique spotting. So could be a unique new one to add in. Let's just come down this way though, and we'll take a look at some of the more tropical plants. So just as we come down this corner here, we can see we've got the Penistum coming in at £6.50. Probably butchering the name on this one here, but lovely flowers on that one, as you can see. Not one I've seen in before, but let me know if you have seen that. We've got our standard bedding calla lilies here. Again, great to kind of fill the patches in the border. Lovely kind of style of leaf on that as well. And of course you get the beautiful flowers. We've got some small Salix coming in at £4. Great if you're trying to get into the Salix, something interesting and, a very small plant, but lovely foliage on those as well compared to the kind of lollipop ones we've seen previously. We've also got the Alpines coming in at £4 for £10. Now, I've got a few of these in the garden. You can see these are kind of sagging down a little bit. I do think it's down to watering. They do enjoy quite a reasonable amount of water on that side, but great for fillers as well and ground cover. Moving to the ferns here, we've got the Cotromium fortunei, one of the ones that I do grow and have a few varieties in my garden, similar to the Asplenium or Hartstongue fern. All these ferns here coming in at just £6.50. Another one that we've had in before is the Atrata, as well as the Susimensis. Now with the Susimensis, again, I love the lovely foliage you get on this. Quite a unique fern on that side. Next to that, and also kind of bedding ideas, we've got the Heuchera coming in at just £5. Lovely zings of color on these, and so many different color varieties you can get with the Heucheras. I think they're great perennials, and definitely for that price you couldn't go wrong there. Moving across, I have seen we do have the Cordylines in, so we've got the Red Star. These ones look fairly reasonable in the pot, little pot wobble, just £10 here, and it'd be the same for the green ones next to it. So if you are looking to get into a Cordyline, fairly good price for the size, I would say, but always check the wobble on the pot. Interesting little begonia mix here. Again, great summer bedding, always worth kind of, I think, pairing this with some of the more evergreen stuff and some of the more hardy plants. Always nice to kind of change up the beds each year. As you look up here, we do have a couple more of the palms, and you can see with a lot of these, £18.50. The trunks are very small on that. Perhaps on this Chamaerops here at the end, I'd probably go with this one health-wise. You can see it's already sort of popping at the bottom. That one looks to be in much better health compared to the one we just had a look at. We've got the Cycas revoluta coming in, so your sago palm. These ones at £37.50. Wish they were £7, but £37.50. Good size plant on that. I had two in the ground last year. One has fully flushed. The other has died. Very odd, but worth a try, I think, for that price as well. Good sized plants. We've got the dahlias here. Lovely pops of color. Just £8.50 on that side. Good sized plant. This can go straight into your borders. Just instant pop of color. Great if you've got those little filler areas. You're waiting things to fill out. Looking over here, we've got some of the yellow varieties as well. Again, £8.50. Once again, great little plants. Definitely for the price, I'd say they're absolutely worth it. Let's just take a look at the last small rack of palms. Be interested to know your thoughts this year on the size of the trunks of the palms. Just we pass these Asiatic lilies for £4.50. But I'll show you here now. If I feel like the trunk size on the 3750s and even the 1850s has gotten quite a bit smaller for the palms, but love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Overall, I would say the B&M here in Loughborough is a fairly decently stocked store. I feel like Colville does typically get a little bit better stock and a kind of little bit better plants, and that could be down to kind of how they're taking care of things like that. But once again, highly recommend checking out other stores around you as well. Kind of exploring the area, you might find some gems. Just coming up to the last Phoenix canariensis here, and this is the one I've been mentioning. I think it's probably one of the best health ones I've seen, pretty much this year. $37.50. You can see decent sized trunk on this. I think you're going to need to be coastal. I've never gotten any of these through in the ground myself. But with that said, just as a bonus for anyone who stuck around till now, we do have, it seems the Tetra Panics has come into store in B&M as of today and this week in most stores. I'm going to be doing a specific video on that probably tomorrow, so stay tuned and we'll get a video out, bit of background information if you don't know the plant as well. But just with that said, of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.